You know, I look so miserable. Hi, it's Erin.
Hi, Erin.
Today we're going to learn, or I'm going to teach him Twice's Feel Special because it's near the holidays and we're getting our bellies. So I'm going to teach him half of the chorus because he's really, really bad at dancing. Like really, really bad at moving his body. You'll see later, but if I taught him the whole chorus, it would take like an hour. Like the whole video would be an hour. So, are you confident?
No.
Do you want to learn it?
Yes.
Let's get started. So,
Stop.
okay, so your hands are gonna come to the side first, like this. All right. Your hand.
Throw them?
Yeah, like this. Okay. And then you're gonna do this.
No, you're faster.
Yeah, and then you do like this.
Curve up?
Yeah, curve up like this. And as you do that, you bend your knees, and then your left butt is gonna come up like this. You're gonna bend your knees. Your left leg is gonna come in front of the right leg, like this. Can you just copy what I do? And then your left butt is gonna come up like this.
Would I pick my foot up?
Your butt. So go up like this.
Down, and then up like this. Okay, and then you kind of go this way.
Cross.
Yeah, and then you go back, and then you go up like this. And then as you do that, your butt goes to the right side and you sit like this. That's good.
Left. So first is your left side and down.
So you're here, right? You're like this, right? So you do right, left. Got it? Okay. And then we're gonna do 1, 2. Okay, but for your butt, you're gonna go right, back, left, right. Okay.
Wait, the whole time I'm like, stop.
So you do left, right,
Jump.
Has to come.
back, down, push, and then left, touch, jump. Right, okay? And then you do like 1, 2.
I'm trying to cover myself in the shower.
1, 2, 3, 4. Good.
Right, left, right. This time we use both hands. So do 1, 2. Now after you're gonna step down with your right leg, and your hand is gonna go to the left of your head. No, like you're here, right? Here. Good. Okay. Then we're gonna do 4 poses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, your butt go to the back, like this, and your hands are gonna do this.
Right here, so now.
Yeah, so your hands go like this.
Now you go out.
Yeah, and then go up.
So
Yeah. And then you're gonna do a smiley like this.
What?
A smiley, like smile. Like your fingers are here. You do this, smile. Yeah. Yeah.
It's like a cut your throat. Like,
No, stop it. Okay, and now afterwards, your hands are gonna come to the side and do a circle like this, like that. Okay? And then when you do that, your head is gonna tilt to the left side. So you do this. And then, okay, your head stays on the left side. Stays on the left side.
what?
Your head stays on the left side, like this.
It doesn't seem to have the same sex appeal that yours does.
Okay, for your legs, you're gonna do left, right. Okay, so together it looks like left, right.
Sorry.
Okay, left, right. And then you do 1, 2, 3. Your butt goes up like this to the right. 1, 2, 3.
Go all the way?
One.
Dude, how far into the song are we?
This is the last one. This is half of the
How many
chorus.
seconds of the song is this?
Like 20? Okay, you can do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. And when you do that, your hands are like here, and they point down, and they come down like that. Okay, your right leg needs to be extended more to the right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, do you remember?
Right, left, right, head. Now 4 poses. 1, 2, 3. Your elbows are here. Yeah. 4. And then you do this thing. The circle. Remember? Left. So your butt goes left, back, right. And then your fingers move up like that. Like this. And then smile. 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
2, 3, 4. You did it!
Okay, there's actually a correction. It's actually not 1, 2, 3. You just do this. Okay, so after this, it's
1, 2, 3, 4.
You just do 1, like that. 1, and then the rest is the same.
Down. Okay, okay, you explain. Start from the beginning.
You start like that, and then you do like
Uh-huh.
and then you like that, and then you do like
No, not yet, not yet. No, not yet.
what? Up, like that, and then you do some sort of all around thing, and you say no, and then you and then you pop that up, and then you do this, and then I think.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And then how?
Okay, you step with your right leg,
Yeah.
and then your left leg comes up.
Oh,
And then you're, literally just this. Left, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
From left, back, right. Smile. Yeah, like that. 2, 3.
Okay.
You make me feel special. It's like a process, right? It's not like on a certain word. So you're down like this, and you do make me feel.
Yeah.
Feel. You gotta bend your knees and like lift your butt up.
I don't know. This doesn't move. I mean, this is not a thing that goes up and
That's
down.
why I wanted you to try. Okay, feel.
Yeah.
Go behind your head. Special. Okay, you do it.
This takes me a really long time.
So let's just do down, push. Can you do that? Okay, so draw a circle. Yep. And then smile. Circle like
This. Circle on the side.
Good.
Just gonna get a little tick. I need water.
Okay, go.
We're gonna take a commercial break.
Okay, no, not music yet. Huh? And then you do the tick.
You gotta feel like this is working to make your butt pop back.
Yeah.
You choked me.
Left to the back and to the right, right? So it moves like this. How do you wanna say bye?
Only bye works. This concludes my first time of Erin teaching me how to K-pop, and hopefully it's not too terrible.
Let us know how you think he did.
Pretty bad.
I don't even know the dance really well because I just learned it like 5 minutes before teaching him. So I'm pretty sure my moves were a little off sometimes, but that's okay. And your moves don't have to be perfect because it's all for exercise.
If you can't do the move, there's substitution.
Yeah. Doesn't have to be perfect. They're just moves. Oh na 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 higher. Huh? It's not a part yet. Zim zaldi. I don't even know how to do it anymore. Oh, zim zaldi zim zim zaldi zim zim zaldi zim zim zaldi zim 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 zaldi zim zaldi zim zaldi zim. It is open. Oh, it's the G, like crab dance. G, baby, baby. G. Oh. So move to the left. You're here, right? I don't know, it doesn't matter. So wait, I don't know if I'm on camera. Yeah, okay, so you're here, right? So yeah. So you move out with your heel, move in with your forward, and then now you move out with your toes, move in with your heel. At the same time. Like do. Okay, ready? Heel toe. Yeah, like that. You just gotta do it fast. And then heel toe. Move that heel over and move this toe over at the same time. And then yeah, at the same time. No, at the same time.